Welcome! In front of me I have ULEFONE watch and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Keep holding it until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the VerifyFitPro application on your iPhone, so make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar. Type in VerifyFitPro and tap on search. Scroll through the list of applications and you should see this application right here, VerifyFitPro. Tap on it, then tap on the Get button to download and install the application. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. Once the application opens, you will get a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. This one is required, Bluetooth permission, so tap on OK. Next we have the location permission. You can allow it or deny it. I'm just gonna allow it, but if you want to use features like tracking your exercises like running, cycling and stuff like that, you probably will need to allow the permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. And next we have the permission for the notifications. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. And here we have the health access. Basically, you can allow the app to write some data like active energy, heart rate, steps, sleeps, and stuff like that. You can do it by tapping on the switch next to the feature to enable or allow to write the data. If you don't want to, you can tap on Don't Allow button right here, but I'm just gonna tap on Turn on All and then tap on Allow to allow the permissions. Okay, now swipe left on the screen to skip through the pages and then tap on Use Now button. Tap on Agree. As you can see, the app is looking for the nearby devices already, and it detected our watch. Tap on it to select it. Then tap on Confirm Device button. Set up the profile. If you get this pop-up, tap on Pair. Continue with the profile. Again, the permission for the notifications, you can allow it or deny it. Let's continue with the profile. And once you're done with the profile and the permissions, you should see the home page of the app, and you can tap on device icon to open the device page, and here you should see your ULEFONE watch GPS. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.